Hey there. Sometimes I get asked by people, well, there are short waves, but there are also long waves. So, isn't that long waves can reach longer distances because their waves are longer, so they reach out a lot more? And I get this quite often, and I think there is some kind of understanding problem. So when we speak about long wave and short wave, technically there is a big difference, and I would like to explain it to you. Okay, what does really long and short mean? Okay, this is the question. So radio signals are electromagnetic waves. The wavelength is the distance from one wave peak to the next. Okay, so a long wave has a very long wavelength. We speak about around hundreds to thousands meters. They have lower frequencies. And for example, there are stations transmitting still on long wave, like the time signal stations, and or some navigation systems, and also some national broadcasters. They still use long waves. Short waves, though, they have much shorter wavelengths. Okay, sorry, it's shaking a little bit. So when we speak about shorter wavelengths, we speak about roughly 10 to 100 meter, okay, from peak to peak. So and therefore we have higher frequencies because they are shorter, so the frequency must be higher. And those are really used for international broadcasting, aviation, and military purposes, and also for ham radio, amateur radio. So what happens? The biggest practical difference, I would say, is that the long waves, they follow the Earth. Okay, the signal tend to travel along the surface of the Earth. Okay, you can use an example like a very strong shining light. Okay, a flexible beam that naturally curves with the landscape. Okay, this has some advantages. That means that it can travel beyond the horizon, so it will really follow the surface. It's less affected by hills and obstacles. It is reliable during day and night, and it's excellent for covering large areas from a single transmitter. Okay, but there are also some disadvantages, and I would say one of those big disadvantages are you need big antenna and a lot of power to transmit. So, and there's another one which is very important today. You have really limited bandwidth because of the longer waves. Okay.